Hi everybody, welcome back. Belinda here. Today I'm pouring with this. It is actually a oven or pot grabber, and this is a 30 by 30 centimeter canvas. So I would just like to say, first and foremost, thank you guys for subscribing, liking, sharing, and all your wonderful comments. Really enjoy that. So let's get cracking. So I haven't done this before in this pot grabber. I think it's a pot grabber or an oven mitt. So that's titanium white. I will put all the paints listed in the description, so just go and have a look down there. This is a B.A.D fluorescent blue. And this is Cyan Blue. This cyan is actually a really beautiful color. And then I'm going to put a little bit more white in there because I do not want green. So all my paints are mixed, 1 part paint to 2 parts of Floetrol. And I have added a teeny bit of water. And now I'm going to go in with, this is the 24 karat gold by B.A.D. So I just want to use all of that up because I've had it standing for a little while. And this here, don't ask me what it is. It's actually scrapings. So I thought I'd have that on the outside. Right, so let's see. That'll be tricky to pick up. Okay, so I'm going to put down some white. I might just, and then move that around a bit. So in my white I also have a tiny bit of semi-gloss satin enamel house paint. So I'm just moving this around. This canvas I have used previously, so I've just gessoed the top. So I find that when I put gesso onto a canvas that I've already used, it gives back the grip that you need for the paint to grab onto. Okay, just sort that out. I'm just going to put a little bit more on here. Right. Let's see, how is this going to work out? It's a bit tricky. Yeah, hold it like that. That is really pretty in there. Okay, that was a little bit more tricky to hold than what I thought it would be, but I think that looks beautiful. Okay, I'm going to give it a torch. And then I'm going to add the white. I think I'm just going to use this color here actually, just for the outside, because it's going to come off anyway. And like I said, these were just scrapings. It was all from a previous painting, and I thought, oh, there's just too much to lose, too much paint to waste. So, waste not, want not. What is it? Want not, waste not. I can't remember now. So just giving that a, spreading that out a bit. Me being ambidextrous. Ooh, the mouse is not working very well this morning. Maybe it's the brain, who knows. Okay guys, let's do this. Okay, so in my mind, what I actually really wanted was, I wanted the blue really to be quite bright. But let's see how this goes. I'm really liking that gold. It's looking very, very nice. Taking it to the edges, to the corners, see if I can keep most of the paint before I tilt it. I love this. I love this here. Okay, a lot of paint sitting there. And let's go. I'm just bringing it back to the center before I take it off this end. Bring it back. Wow, this is pretty. Okay, turn it around so you guys can see, but I do want to torch it quickly before I go off that corner. Wow. Got her winter coat, so she's very big and fluffy. She's so cuddly. Okie dokie, let's get that off. Just make sure my paint is in the center. And I'll take it off that corner and bring it back. Take it off there. So ideally what I had in mind, now I'm just manipulating it a bit. So what I had in mind was to have like it look like two tunnels, so you kind of have, you could walk in either way, so you have like two choices really. Right, let me have a look at that. Okay guys, I love this. I really really like it. Alright guys, I'm going to bring you in for a close-up. Alright guys, this is it. I decided to bring it outside so you can actually get enough light to see it. So I think that turned out really really nicely. And to go this side. So it turns out I have two tunnels. And if I go to the side, hopefully you'll get to see the gold shimmer, or maybe not. I was hoping that you could see the gold shimmer, but anyway, it is shimmering beautifully. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.